Hello everyone. Welcome to the Whispering Words English Lesson channel. Today, we are going to learn English vocabulary at the airport. This lesson is easy and simple, so let's get started. When you arrive at the airport, the first thing to do is check the information board. The information board shows flight details. There are many new words you can spot on the information board. First word is departures. These are the flights that are leaving the airport. If your flight is under departures, your plane is going to another city or country. Let's say the word again.
Departures.
Arrivals are flights that are coming to the airport. These planes are landing here. Let's say the word again.
Arrivals.
Delayed means the flight is late. You have to wait longer before the plane leaves or arrives. Let's say the word again.
Delayed.
The word on time means the flight will leave or arrive at the correct time. The flight is not late. Let's say the word again.
On time.
Destination is the place the plane is going to. It is the final city or country where the flight will land. Let's say the word again.
Destination.
The next step is going to the check-in counter. This is where passengers register for their flights. At the counter, an airline staff member checks our travel documents. Let's see the travel documents. Passport is a small book that helps to identify ourselves. We need it to travel from one country to another. Inside the passport is the biometric page, which shows your photo, name, birthday, and nationality. Third word is boarding pass. After showing our documents, the airline staff confirms our flight booking and gives us a boarding pass. The boarding pass shows flight number, destination, departure time, seat number. Okay, now let's see a conversation between an airline staff member and a passenger at the check-in counter.
Hello. May I have your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Do you have a seat preference?
Yes, I prefer a window seat.
No problem. Here is your boarding pass.
Great. Thank you very much.
Next, we drop our baggage. Airline staff measure the weight of our bags and put a luggage tag on them. We have two types of bags. Checked baggage are the bags we give to the airline staff. They go into the plane, and we collect them at the destination. Carry-on bag is a small bag passengers keep with them on the plane. These bags are smaller than checked baggage. Another important word is weight limit. Weight limit is the maximum weight a bag can have to fly on an airplane. If a bag is too heavy, the airline staff will weigh it and tell the passenger. Passengers may need to take some items out or pay extra if the bag is over the limit. Now you can drop your luggages at the baggage drop. Next, we go to security. Airport staff check passengers and bags to keep everyone safe. We put our carry-on bags on a belt to be scanned, and we walk through a security gate. Let's see what the new words we can learn here are. The first word is prohibited items. Prohibited items are things that are not allowed on an airplane. These items are not allowed because they can be dangerous. The next word is tray. A tray is a flat plastic box. At airport security, we put our carry-on bags, shoes, accessories, and electronic items, such as phones, in this tray. The next word is security officer. A security officer is the person who checks the passengers and their bags. Once we go through the security check, we can go and find our gate. A gate is a place at the airport where passengers wait before getting on the airplane. At the gate, we sit and wait and listen for announcements. Here, we can learn more new phrases and words. The first one is gate open. When the gate opens, passengers can get onto the plane. The next word is boarding. Boarding is the process of getting on the airplane. You can say, "The passengers are boarding now." The next word is take off. Take off is when the airplane leaves the ground and starts flying. You can say, "The plane will take off in 5 minutes." Now let us have a recap of all the new words we have learned today. The first word is departure. Let's repeat it again.
Departures.
The second word is arrival. Let's pronounce it properly.
Arrivals.
The third word is destination. Let's repeat it.
Destination.
This is followed by passport and biometric page. Let us pronounce it clearly.
Passport. Biometric page.
The sixth word is boarding pass.
Boarding pass.
The seventh word is security officer. Let's repeat it.
Security officer.
The eighth word is checked baggage.
Checked baggage.
The ninth word we learned today is carry-on bag. Let's say it again.
Carry-on bag.
The final word is boarding gate.
Boarding gate.
Congratulations! Now you are ready to take your flight for your next journey.
So happy!
Thank you so much for watching this English lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will meet you in the next video.